The theme, charting the course for Nigeria's nation building, is adopted. And those members of newly inaugurated cabinet who are present here, you better take a piece of it home. Let's get walking. We are going to make a promise here, like you make the pledge for the nation. A change of mind, a change of attitude, a change of approach to governance. I could see our chief host, the landlord of Abuja, stake at it. I want to ride on your metro line. If I ask for free land, don't give me. But deliver the metro line for the good and the greatest number of Nigerians. For us, this number matters. Over 60,000 legal minds you are here not to picnic. You are here to chart the path. And my trust and respect is for all of you gathered here. So that together we can build our country and set Nigeria on the path of greatness.